Safari Adventure. Discover 20 amazing animals of the wild. Welcome, young explorers. Today, we're off on an incredible safari adventure. Pack your binoculars, grab your hat, and get ready to meet 20 amazing animals that call the wild African plains home. Are you ready? Let's go! The lion, king of the savannah. Our adventure begins with the lion, known as the king of beasts. A lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away. That's louder than a rock concert. They live in families called prides, where everyone helps care for the cubs. 2. The elephant. Here comes the African elephant, the largest land animal on Earth. Their ears act like cooling fans, and they use their trunks for everything: drinking, hugging, and even blowing water like a fountain. 3. The giraffe. Look up, way up. The giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Its tongue is 18 inches long and dark purple to protect it from the hot sun when reaching for tasty leaves. 4. The cheetah. Ready, set, zoom! The cheetah is the fastest land animal, sprinting up to 70 miles per hour. That's faster than a car on the highway. 5. The rhinoceros. The rhino looks tough with its big horn, but it's actually very shy. They love rolling in mud puddles to keep cool and protect their skin from the hot sun. 6. The zebra. Black and white and loved all over. No two zebra have the same stripes. Their patterns are as unique as fingerprints. The stripes also confuse predators when they run in herds. 7. The African buffalo. Strong and fearless, the buffalo travels in huge herds and will protect one another from danger. They're one of Africa's big 5 animals, along with lions, elephants, leopards, and rhinos. 8. The leopard. Shh! Look up in that tree. The leopard loves to climb and often hides its food in branches to keep it safe. Their spotted coat helps them blend into the dappled sunlight, perfect camouflage. 9. The warthog. This little warthog might look funny with its warty face and curly tail, but it's fast and clever. When danger comes, it runs with its tail straight up, like a flag. 10. The ostrich. The ostrich can't fly, but it can run faster than most horses. It lays the biggest eggs in the world, each one as heavy as a dozen chicken eggs. 11. The Nile crocodile. In the river below, a crocodile waits perfectly still. They can hold their breath for up to an hour, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. But most of the time, they just bask in the sun. 12. The baboon. Up in the trees and sometimes on the ground live playful baboons. They live in big families called troops and love grooming each other to stay clean and friendly. 13. The hippopotamus. Splash! The hippo spends most of its day in the water to stay cool. Even though they look lazy, they can run as fast as a human when needed. 14. The python. Coiled up in the shade, the African rock python waits patiently. It doesn't use venom. Instead, it squeezes its prey gently but firmly before eating. Don't worry, it's not dangerous unless you're a small animal. 15. The flamingo. Look at that pink party by the lake. Flamingos get their bright color from eating tiny shrimp full of red pigments. They often stand on one leg to rest the other. Scientists still aren't sure exactly why. 16. The hornbill. With its giant, colorful beak, the hornbill looks like a bird straight from a fairy tale. They seal their nests with mud walls, leaving just a small hole for the dad to feed the mom and chicks. 17. The meerkat. Standing tall and alert, the meerkat is the safari's cutest lookout. They take turns watching for danger while others play or dig for bugs. 18. The dung beetle. Yes, even tiny creatures are part of the safari. The dung beetle rolls balls of animal poop to feed its family and keeps the land clean at the same time. Nature's recycler. 19. The African fish eagle. Hear that cry echo over the water. That's the call of the African fish eagle, Africa's national bird in many countries. It swoops down to snatch fish right out of the water. What a hunter! 20. The painted dog. Our final friend is the African painted dog, one of the most social animals on Earth. Each pack works together like a team, caring for pups and sharing food with everyone. Their colorful fur looks like a beautiful painting. As the golden sun sets over the savannah, we say goodbye to our animal friends. From the tallest giraffe to the tiniest beetle, every creature plays a special role in the great circle of life. The wild is full of wonder, balance, and beauty, and we are lucky to share this planet with them. Thanks for joining our safari adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring the wonders of nature. Until next time, adventurers, stay wild and stay curious.